What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove brake rotor screws from your Honda without stripping them. I'm going to show you guys 3 different easy methods to do that. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. Okay, so this is the little silver screw that we're going to be removing. This just holds on the rotor so when you're assembling, the rotor doesn't fall off. But you need to take this out if you're going to change out your rotors. So most of the time people will just put a normal size screwdriver in this and try and twist it off, and it'll just strip it right away. So I'm going to show you guys 3 methods. No matter what, you're going to start with this method. You're going to want to get the blunt tipped, it's a number 3 screwdriver Phillips. That fits right in there. We'll put it in our screwdriver. We're going to take our big sledge. We're going to give it a couple good whacks. That's just going to help loosen and break it up. Now you could just try using your screwdriver with that correct number 3 Phillips, and sometimes you can get it. Second method that I've had luck with is using an impact, regular screwdriver impact with that number 3 on there. And the third method, the fail-safe method, is this. This is an impact driver. It uses a hammer. You strike the end of this, and what it does is it spins the bit on the end just a tiny bit when you drive this, so it's applying the force as you're hitting it. There it goes. It just turns it a little bit. I'll go ahead and put links down in the description to this special impact tool. Then we can take the rest with our impact out. Now on the back rotor, let's go ahead and try just the impact. Give it a couple taps with our hammer, like I showed you. There we go, came right out. Okay, now you've seen both methods work. Now you don't have to put this back. This just holds the rotor on while you're working on it. It's not necessary, but if you do put it back, I recommend putting some copper anti-seize on it. Stop it from seizing up, because it will. So just brush some all around the threads and then on the inset of the head. Then we'll just snug it down with our impact. There we go. Alright guys, there's a few different ways to how to remove the screws from your brake rotors. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you get my new ones. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.